Good evening. Thanks to all. Last episode, I had promised that I will tell you some stories. I'll do that. But before that, a little basics. Why do customers or consumers buy? Customers या consumers क्यों खरीदते हैं? वो खरीदते हैं because there are certain needs. That is one. The second aspect is customers would want from the core of their hearts to be valued. हर कस्टमर चाहते हैं कि उनका कोई वैल्यू ब्रांड के पास रहे. Point number 2. And point number 3, which is very, very important, is that consumers and customers, they will buy from the brand they can trust. So need, value and trust. और ये जो 3 बेसिक है, इसके ऊपर रिलेशनशिप मार्केटिंग बेस्ड है. Relationship marketing will use these 3 basic aspects to their advantage and try to be very, very pally with the consumer and be very, very adorable to the consumer. इसमें स्लाई होने का जरूरत नहीं है, कनिंग होने का जरूरत नहीं है, बट ये 3 जो बेसिक आधार है, इसके ऊपर बेस करके अपना मार्केटिंग अपना करना है और सेल्स ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. अभी देखते हैं एग्जाम्पल्स क्या है जो ये 3 मुद्दे के ऊपर रिलेटेड है. एक पिज्जा कंपनी था है भी, जिसका बारे में प्रोडक्ट का बारे में कुछ नेगेटिव कंप्लेंट्स आने लगा. उन्होंने सोचा कि क्या किया जाए, कैसा कम्युनिकेट किया जाए. तो व्हाट they did is they used their own people, their own sales people, production people, R&D people to read out genuine customer complaints and acknowledge them. Yes, ये problem है, ये customer से आया है. And then they resolved those problems and they came out with solutions and offered a new product. And it was found that they became successful again. They started selling more. So what they basically did, they basically gave value to their consumers. There was a need of pizzas. You feel hungry, you have pizza. And they re-established that trust. There is another second example of where the customer is given value. There is a certain brand who had a product which is aroma based, sense of smell, and smell is defined by a adjective, whatever may it be. Rose is one type of smell, sweet and things like that. So what they did, they asked their consumer to suggest different names of odor and acknowledged their contribution and gratified them and came out with that variant in their product range. So here is again another example where a company or a brand is acknowledging the consumer, giving value to them. I'll give you another example. There was a direct mailing company, and there are clients. Everybody would not be capable of writing good mails. You require help to be able to write good mails, effective mails, productive mails. And what they did is they started giving birthday cards, handwritten birthday cards to their prospect clients. And that was the difference. When customers started receiving handwritten birthday cards, it was not only an acknowledgement or a recognition of their birthday, but it was something very personalized. They liked it. and they started attaching or relating to that particular company, and their clientele improved. Another example from my own experience is that there was a tire company, there is, and motorcycle tire is a very commonly used product, and in that category you need assurance. So that company started publicizing or advertising that my particular brand of tires gives lifetime warranty. And it is that element that clicked in the mind of the customer. And today you see the results. They are doing exceedingly well. So I've just given you some examples wherein these three basic elements: need, customer wants to be valued, and customer will buy from somebody who they trust. And if you are working out your strategy on three elements, automatically you will find, and there is a study, a survey which reveals that these engaged customers will give you or will spend 23% more than the normal buying pattern or buying levels of the normal customer. So please understand that as a brand, if you can satisfy the need, you have made your day. Thank you. Thank you once again for having subscribed to my channel. I would request each one of you to recommend my channel to all your friends, relatives, to people living in your societies if you're staying in one of the housing societies. And I'm sure over a period of time, I'll be promising you to share more of my learnings from my experience and help each one of you to see that they are utilized, they are understood, and results are driven. You get concrete results by implementing them. Thank you once again. I'll be back in the next video.